Welcome to a sunny Silverstone, but the Stowe circuit, not the big one. And one of the things I've always been interested in is the comparison between the standard MX-5 and the RF. Now the RF, in case you forget, is the hardtop version with the folding hardtop. And I saw it unveiled at the New York Motor Show, and everybody loved it. I was one of them. I thought it was brilliant. And you sort of think, just adds a level of almost sort of sophistication actually to the car. The one thing that bugged me was whether there was a downside dynamically over the standard soft top Roadster. So I've driven back to back two cars, and they're absolutely identical apart from the roofs. So we've got 160 PS, which is 158 brake horsepower, and 200 Newton meters, which is 147 pounds-foot of torque. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox, and very nice it is too. We've also got a limited slip diff in both cars and the Bilstein Sport suspension. So I drove both of the cars, one after the other, and initially on jumping into the RF, I thought you were going to be able to have your cake and eat it, because certainly for the first 2 laps you're just sitting there thinking it's still brilliant fun, and there's really not a lot of difference. However, after a while you just start to notice little things. It's as though it's just not quite as lively, particularly over the rear axle. It's almost like it's just got a bit more traction, because with the roof down you've got more weight over the back. Now I should mention the weight differences, because obviously that's the key thing here. Now it's only 45 kilos between the two, but then given the standard car weighs just 1,075 kilos curb weight, so that's with a 75 kilo driver in it, whereas this goes up to 1,120 kilos. But it's obviously where that weight is that can make all the difference. Whether it's out over the back with the roof down, which, as I say, just gives you a little more traction, just makes the rear axle a little less lively and the car feel just a little less sprightly. With the roof up, the biggest difference, to be honest, for somebody as tall as me, is the fact that you have less headroom in the RF, which I realise won't be something that matters to all of you, but it does to me, because I'm a tall man in a small car. Having driven them back to back, therefore, yes, I would still have the standard Roadster, despite the fact I love the look of this car, just because it bugged me to not have the very, very best dynamic car. But if you love the looks of this, then, well, you're not really sacrificing a great deal. And obviously you do get a bit more practicality. It is actually easy to put the soft top up and down though. Much quicker. Electronics aren't always best. So there we go, that's a Carfection Plus from sunny Silverstone. And an MX-5. Such fun cars. Hard roof or soft roof. I'm going to sneeze. Oh! It's hay fever.